We're here today at the grand opening of Jack's IGA, or the My IGA, in Beattyville, Kentucky. And of course, Jack Gross is with us and Elizabeth Graves from Mason, and we're going to learn a little bit about these innovative systems for refrigeration, heat reclaim, hot water reclaim that Jack and Elizabeth have put in this brand new store down here in Beattyville. So Jack, can you tell us a little bit about the capabilities and what these new systems will do for retailers?
Well, the new systems, there's probably three different ways to look at it. The first way is the way it operates and the ease of maintaining your store without a lot of refrigeration problem, which this system should get an A+ on that. It's a 24-hour surveillance through the internet. Maintenance is 24 hours a day. It virtually eliminates maintenance and service problems on equipment and maintains a safe and sanitary food product, which we tend to forget when we're looking at maintenance. A second advantage is the savings that you're going to get with a very efficient system. When you pick the right equipment, balance it to the refrigeration and the electrical service, it reduces your consumption probably 20 to 30%. Now, for the independent, that is a better product, easier done, it'll reduce cost. We was fortunate to partnership with Mason, which is a new banking entity from the government that helped us finance this and give us a lot of technical support on picking what to do. Most people have 3 or 4 ways to go, but we consulted with 3 or 4 architects and engineers as for a safe product, easy maintenance, and reduce your electrical consumption. This system runs on 480 volts. It only uses on a demand basis what it needs. It recovers all of its heat to heat the building. It eliminated all of our gas bill, and the 480 volt service, when you get into electrical bills, reduces a lot of your cost to maintain.
Well, I think it's interesting you mentioned earlier that it's in itself, it's self-diagnostic, and you're online with it all the time, that you can see problems when they occur or when problems are getting ready or may develop, and you have that capability to remedy something before it becomes a major problem.
Yeah. Yes, General Refrigeration, which has been a great partner in developing this and installing it. They maintain it, they monitor it over the internet. It virtually becomes maintenance free. That gives us the opportunity to spend more time what we should be doing, at selling groceries and marketing and merchandising. And it's been just a wonderful thing for our program and what we're trying to do in this store, and very satisfied with the whole system. It's gets an A on everything we do.
Well, let's move over to Elizabeth. Elizabeth, it's a program that John Morris, as Director of Member Services, has been working with about bringing some of this new program that Jack has found from Mason. And Elizabeth, could you tell us a little bit about what Mason is and how you've been working with Jack?
Sure. Mason is a community development financial institution. We've been around for about 33 years, and we've been doing energy efficiency for the last 2 years. So when an entrepreneur comes to us with needs on energy efficiency, we have a certified energy manager on staff who can help assess what the needs are and make recommendations. So in this case, our enterprise development team was already working with Jack on financing for the general store rebuild, and Jack had already chosen his architect and engineer, and we brought in our certified energy manager who made recommendations on changing the lighting from T12 magnetic ballast to T8 fluorescent ballast. also to the waste heat recovery system and the refrigeration, and then also adding insulation in the ceiling and doing some other things to reduce energy costs. And I think with the refrigeration system in particular, he's really going to notice savings in the wintertime when that system itself is going to heat the grocery. So that's significant.
Well, the relationship we're developing with Mason is hopefully we're going to have more information available on our website for folks to learn what Jack and Elizabeth and Mason can do for folks. But as everybody knows, going green in the grocery business is huge, and we got a lot of work to do as far as lighting and refrigeration and everything. And so Elizabeth and Jack is always willing to help with people with questions about his new systems. And Elizabeth, feel free to contact her at the number at the bottom of the page here. So thanks, Jack. Elizabeth, appreciate for having the quick tour.
Thank you.
Thank you. Compressors.
We're in the motor room of Jack's IGA. Hopefully you all be able to hear us here. But Jack wanted to tell us about these compressors that are saving him some money.
All right, we're talking about 6 compressors doing the job of what done took 24 before I burned down. These are the latest technology, scroll compressors. They come on demand, so if you only need 2, you only run 2. I would like to give general contractors in Ashland, or general refrigeration, John Smith, very knowledgeable, knows the grocery industry and the refrigeration industry. They develop this, great people to work for, the best of people to do the job. They have the expertise, the people, and the equipment to do this thing. Very satisfied with this system. It's way above what we independents usually work with.
So these are the main control panels in here, and have the LCD screen that you can monitor and see what's going on with the system?
Yeah, it's internet monitored at their monitoring site at their office. It tells you if something's wrong 24 hours a day. They come and fix this. Have been really good people to do what they say to do. Great system. Takes a lot of worry out of the grocery business. It's just works and works. It's been a great deal.
Okay, thanks, Jack.
Thank you.